Itunga luko kwa plude tupete rotoloka polon. Le ruchoini ageon katina itorokan la kikaberemai da los damasale. Kesa daut adelor ebingara ina ikesi. Kwape kwananda ageon atar Akipi aitub egudo. Akipi nu kes de utas aitub koto monosama iloka Omabor.
Koto ikno yuni pinaman ngolo kara eteka.
Midibe yongeni mono arie kodi oko ikno yuni di chi do kotine de tie malo. Amoto ka mido pikura nyolo wa man.
I'm a student of Alosit Secondary School. Difficulties we find here is going to the school. You reach school late because of passing here. When you can come when you're smart, but now if you reach here, just remove the stockings and shoes, you foot and cross the road. And you find that some children are like they're scared of passing here. They just remain home.
Wana take the tambe. Yongoni yike waba. Piento na wala ke chala man. Baleti pone moro mabe okediye. Kante mitayika. Temi la ko ket bara ko bridge moro malo ko neba
Ambala na kai bina man kan kana mot koriya mu kediye kede ida woni gali nyomano klebe
Kunye ngarno ko luke district esalim tidaibe e bet quest aike on ai monyana kamejas ngarno ko luke ringot loka undrang.
We are calling on to UNRWA to come in and support. We know, we are aware that government is under the process of making sure that that road is built, is tarmacked. But it will take longer. The rains are here and the road is already being submerged. So now we are just calling on UNRWA to do some temporary fixing of the road so that the water does not wash away the remaining bridges, so that people can be passing. It is the only main road that gives access to Kabaremaide. When we are transferring patients and when we have emergencies, that is the shortest route to the referral hospital.
As a leader, we shall write to the ministry so that at least UNRWA can come in immediately, because we are aware that there is too much rain this season. And as it has been happening ever since, we have hopes that if the UNRWA come in and work on that road, at least if they can raise that swamp.
It's a part of the UNRWA network linking Kabaremaide to Soroti, and the water level is surging every hour. There is no doubt that it most likely it is going to again be crossed and closed. The water definitely has already crossed. It is going to reach levels where we cannot navigate through. It's part of the reason why we are trying to work on this road of Olalai to offer an alternative route.
Michael Anyinge, TV East, Kabaremaide District.